من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم السلام علی المرسلین انشاءاللہ ماشاءاللہ سبحان اللہ. Dear Dr. Zakir Naik Sahib, Assalamu alaikum. Please correct your clear mistake. You said the Torah is wrong when it says that light was created on the first day of creation and sun and stars were created on the fourth day of creation. You said, how could light come before the sources of light, that is sun and stars, which are the Holy Quran also says, but the Holy Quran also says that light was created first and then sun was created. According to Big Bang theory, also light was created immediately after the Big Bang, but the first stars came 400 million years later. Therefore, Torah, Quran, and science give the same message. Therefore, Torah is not wrong, Torah is right. Torah Genesis chapter 1 verse 3 says that light was created on first day. God said, let there be light, and light appeared. On the fourth day, in verse number 16, God made sun, moon, and stars. Holy Quran, Surah Al-An'am, chapter number 6, verse number 1. All praise to Allah who created heaven and earth and made the darkness and light. Holy Quran also says in Surah Anbiya, chapter 21, verse number 33, and He it is who created the night and the day and the sun and the moon. So the Holy Quran also speaks first of the creation of night and day and then the creation of sun and moon. The Big Bang, according to the Big Bang theory, which happened 13.7 billion years ago, light appeared immediately after the Big Bang, but first stars appeared 400 million years later. Please see the concept of Big Bang diagram given below. It is written in the Quran that in the beginning Allah's throne was on water, and it is written in the Torah that in the beginning God's Spirit was on the water. The sources of light from the source of light from the sun is mainly hydrogen. Hydrogen was present in the water before creation of sun and stars. So Bible is right in saying that light was created on the first day of creation. Dear Zakir Naik, please accept your mistake in public.